Hello everyone.
Okay, this is Zainul Abedin. He's a shopkeeper.
Shopkeeper.
And here is Setu. She's here to buy something.
Yes.
Okay, let's converse.
Customer. Hello madam, how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I am also fine. This is long time you cannot come my shop.
Oh, I was so busy with other works that I couldn't come.
So today many thanks. What can I do for you today?
Okay, I want to buy some dresses. So can you show me some?
Of course, why not? What kind of dresses you want?
I want colorful dresses. So can you give me? Can you show me some pink color, purple color?
Pink.
Then yeah, it's pink.
Yeah.
Pink, purple, red, and also I want to some. Can you show something with uncommon color like gray or brown?
Color is this available, but what kind of dress you want?
Listen, dress. I want some.
Three-piece, shari.
No, not shari. At first, I want to see some salwar kameez. I mean,
Of course,
some
of course.
three-piece, unstitched.
This is purple. This is pink.
Okay.
This is yellow.
You are destroying colors.
Many different color you can choose that. Yes.
That one. No. Okay. This one. I like that. Okay.
Madam, this is very good. It is matching of your color. You
Okay.
can.
Show me. Look, there is a torn part.
Oh, sorry, madam. I have
You're showing
another.
something.
This same color. I have
It's not
another
there.
pieces. Another
I'm a
piece.
regular customer. You can show me
Okay.
that.
This is same color and this is not at all.
Okay, this one is good. How much?
This is I buy this 5,000, but just for you I discount that 4,000 only. This is
Only
because
1,000.
this is my regular customer. For this reason I discount that.
Okay, listen. Look at that. Does it?
The last
does
15
it cost,
seconds.
4,000.
Of course.
How could you?
This quality is very high. You
Just touch it. It's not even soft. How could you say this is 4,000? Okay.
what do you want to
Okay,
give?
listen. I'm telling something. I can give you 1,500.
1,500 only.
Yeah.
This is so low.
Not only. I could say 1,000. I told you 1,500. It's really high.
I can just 500 discount for this for
No.
just you.
This is not in my budget. Please.
This is so low, madam.
No, I'm a regular customer.
Of course.
I can.
Okay, last.
I'm
You have to
taking
finish it. Last 15,
I'm
final
taking
15.
this dress. Please give me in the 1,500, so we can close.
Please increase something, some budget your budget.
Okay, or 10 taka.
Oh no, this 10 taka is not fair for these dresses.
It is fair. Okay. Final. I'm giving you 1,550 taka.
Finally, you can give me, please.
Don't
2,000 taka, please. Please, madam, because you are my regular customer, I will pack it.
Listen, I can give you only 1,600.
No.
Not.
Please, madam.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay.